I said, where did you put the cash? You won't tell me. To figure out how this happened, we have to go all the way back. So I have the floor plan. Now we just need the equipment, and then we can do this bank robbery. You got the guns? Yeah. Put your hands in the air. It's a robbery. Alright. Give us the money. Give us the money. Don't give us money, I'm gonna shoot another dude. Just take the money. Okay. The police are coming. You guys take the money. We'll go away. I gotta get going. Come on. I gotta escape. Gotta get out of here. Hey, where's the money? I said, where's the... Whoa. You don't gotta do this. We can just resolve this, you know? I'm gonna plan an attack against him. I need that cash. I'm kinda broke, not gonna lie. We need to rob his hideout. Well, here we are at this guy's hideout. Seems he has God. Let's get him. That's right. Came after you. Taking him in to investigate. Let's take this dude. So now you know how we got here. I said, where did you put the cash? You won't tell me. I think we're here. I've narrowed it down to this place. Using clues and stuff. Should be inside this building here. Somewhere. Well, here it is, I think. This has to be it. Come on. What is it? Yeah. $45 million in this one place. I looked out the rest of my Oh, hey there. If you liked watching this video, then please subscribe and like. I'll include all the mods used in this video in the description. Please comment what you liked about this video so I can use it to make better videos. Thanks. Bye.